I said, I don't need no truck.
I don't want your personal car over here with all these tractors going on.
Hey, just like I told you.
I know you can drive.
Hey, just like I told you. It's what you don't want. You another one just got here.
I'm just saying.
Hey, don't just say to me. I know what I'm doing. Please, hey, superintendent, stay out of my business, please.
So if a UTR hits you,
ain't nothing gonna hit me.
What if a UTR
I say ain't nothing gonna hit me.
UTR's
I say ain't nothing gonna.
How do you know how these other drivers?
Hey, I'm like a seagull.
Seagull?
A seagull.
Seagull.
You a seagull? I was taught that when I came on the waterfront. Everything I do, I was taught. Seagull. Go talk to Larry.
Is that the limit?
Go talk to Larry.
I'm gonna talk to him.
Yeah. And see what's what when it comes to me. Go talk to him, please.
I'm gonna go talk to him about getting you a truck.
Hey. I know what to drive it. Hey, please don't bother me. I said, please don't bother. Hey,
I can't overlook this when we've got 6 cranes going right
I
now.
wouldn't give a damn if you had 100 going. I know what to do. Hey, I said, I know what to do. I do this all the time. When you here or not here.
I'm not questioning it. I understand that. But I need you to move your car up front and I'm going to get you a truck. I need you to do that.
Hey, you don't have to get me nothing.